All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is install environment for you to write your code in. So if you already have a Python environment, you're set. You can skip this step. But if you don't, I highly recommend installing Visual Studio Code. It will handle a lot of stuff for you. It's also great for writing pretty much any language. It's available on Linux, Mac, and Windows. So, all you got to do is install it. I already have it installed, so I won't show you that, but you could download the installer, follow the engine for whatever platform you're on, and then you'll have Visual Studio installed and ready to go. If you want to install some extensions, you can. I have a lot already installed, but a good one you probably want to install is Python, because we are writing in Python. So if you click on the extension tab, which is this 4-box thing here, go up to Python and install it. It will install Python and all the required tools for Visual Studio. So once you're done that, or you have a Python environment set up, you're ready to go.